Hey everybody, in this video, I'm gonna be myself. Like any other videos on my YouTube channel. Howdy everybody. To be honest, I didn't come up with any specific idea. So then I decided to make this video to introduce myself and my channel. My name is Mo and I'm a power electrical engineer and I've been working in real estate industry since 2018. I started my YouTube channel about business, entrepreneurship, marketing and sales. Then I thought by myself I could share my experience and knowledge. It's not too much, yeah, I'm not very fantastic, super businessman. But I decided to teach people everything that I know and everything that I will learn and help them to grow their small businesses. But one of my biggest regrets on my life was this. What about my engineering background? How can I use it in correct way? How can I create value? Then, damn. Sorry guys, my softbox just fell down. Then I came up with the idea to combine my business experience and engineering background to create more valuable content. So here's the result. You can see on my channel. In this channel, I'm gonna create videos about technology usage, specifically AI usage on business, productivity, entrepreneurship, and marketing. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to learn about business and technology in less boring way. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.